Hello, welcome back to SQL full course tutorial. Here in this lecture we will discuss update command. Update command is used to modify the records in a table for one or more column. It can be based upon some condition or without condition. Without condition must be used carefully because if we do not mention any condition, all the records for that column will be changed. Suppose you want to change the employee name for this employee ID 101. We can do this by using this update command. Update employee new, this is the table name, set employee name equals to Vinay, where employee ID is 101. Now we will execute this command. One row is affected. Let's see. We can see the name is changed to Vinay for employee ID 101. We can change more columns, more than one columns at once. We can do this by using comma and let's say we want to change the department also for this name, for this ID 101. So now the department is HR. Now we can see the department will change to HR here. Execute the command. One row is affected. Now let's see, select star from employee new. We can see the department is also changed to HR. So for employee ID 101, two columns have been changed in one go using this update command. We can also change multiple rows. This depends on condition. If we use city here in place of employee ID, suppose we use city Delhi, we can see Delhi is in two rows. So two rows will be affected if we change the condition from employee ID to city. Let's see. Copy this, paste it here. Now we will change the condition. City equals to Delhi. Now my condition is update this table, set employee name Vinay and at department equals to H. You can use any column for the change, and condition is where city is equals to Delhi. Now we will execute this command. Two rows are affected. Now we will see. Now we can see for employee ID 101, name is Vinay. Here the city is Delhi, though the employee name and the department is changed to Vinay and HR as we mentioned in our code. And for this record also for Delhi, HR and Vinay. So we can change multiple records in a table by using condition. The update command must be used carefully without any condition because it will change all the rows for that column. Now we'll see what would happen if we do not mention any condition. Select the code and execute it. Now select star from this. We can see all the rows for column employee ID and department have been changed to this Vinay and HR. So it will change all the records for that columns mentioned in update set command. Without any condition, we should use this command carefully. That's all for this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and press bell icon to stay updated with upcoming SQL videos. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video.